Welcome back, and we're doing the Khan's Feti chicken. You'll need about 4 breasts, you need crushed chilies, paprika, sweet basil, thyme, some salt, black pepper, cayenne pepper. Now these are the spices you're going to be needing. Firstly, we need to fillet that chicken, so let's butterfly it, put on one side, slice it gently with a nice filleting knife, split it open. Now make sure that it's not cut right through. We just want to have some splittage. Okay, so do that to all 4 of your fillets. Add some salt. Sprinkle generously some seasoning, salt, and with smoked paprika. We're going to cover it with some smoked paprika. Some black pepper. Now you add the amount of black pepper that you want. Some sweet basil. I don't know if it's basil or basil. Sweet basil or basil. Next thing, we're going to have some feta cheese. So we cut some feta cheese into some pieces and split it up and just stuff the one side. You add it to the one side only. You're going to cut it up and put it to all 4 of the fillets. Okay, so once you're done stuffing it, just fold the other side over, flip it over, add your salt seasoning and some crushed chilies. If you do not have the thyme, this is the time to add thyme. And finish it off with some cayenne pepper. Now the more cayenne pepper you want to put on, the more stronger it becomes. So once you're done with that, okay, so in a warm skillet or a saucepan, frying pan, whatever you want to call it, you're going to add a dash of olive oil, spread it around. You're going to place all 4 of them down into the pan. Okay, so the trick is to fry it with the lid off for about 5 minutes. Flip it over, then close the lid for the remaining 5 minutes. And what that does is it cooks inside its own juices. The steam also cooks it further. And you're done. You can plate it and then bon appetit. You can serve it with a salad, chips, you name the different sides you want to use.